Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll tell you about Builderall 3.0's affiliate program. But before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, hit that like and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when I upload a video. Okay? I upload videos regularly. Alright? So, yeah, be sure to click the bell. Anyway, so for this video, as I said earlier, I'll be talking about Builderall 3.0's affiliate program. So this is the new compensation plan they have. So what I'll do is I'll talk about the current compensation plan and then the upcoming, which is the new one. Let me make myself smaller here. Okay. And let's go to the demo board. Okay. Just to make sure I'm on top. Okay. Alright. So Builderall's compensation plan, the current one. Let me just adjust this real quick. Okay. So Builderall. Builderall's current compensation or affiliate program, this is how it works. So this is me. So I signed up with Builderall. If somebody signs up with Builderall through me, that's what we call first tier. And on the first tier, what I'll get is 100% commission on the first month. And then second month onwards, it's 30% commission. So that second month onwards. Second tier is 30% first month onwards. So again, I signed up with Builderall. This is me. If somebody signs up with Builderall through me, that's my first tier. And from that first tier, on the first month, I'll get 100% commission on the first month. Second month onwards, it will be 30%. And if somebody signs up with the person who signed up with Builderall through me, that would be the second tier. And from that second tier, I'll get 30% on the first month onwards. And these are lifetime as long as these people use the platform. So regardless if I don't do anything at all, I'll still get a commission. And just a note, that's what we call passive income. I don't do anything, I'll keep on earning as long as these people are signed up. The earnings are recurring. Okay? So passive income. Earnings are recurring, meaning it's continuous because it's an online subscription to a digital product. Okay? That's the good thing about marketing a digital product. It's continuous. Okay? So again, these are lifetime. as long as these people use the platform. Now, Builderall also has a car bonus. I put it here. Car bonus. Let me just move this real quick. Okay, for the car bonus, 100 active users. 100 active users. Again, Builderall will send you $500 monthly. So meaning 100 people signed up with Builderall through you, Builderall will send you $500 monthly. And 200 active users, that's $1,000 monthly. So both are monthly and lifetime. As long as these people are active on Builderall, you will continue to earn this. And take note, these earnings are on top of your earnings from the tiers. So it's an extra earnings for you. Okay? So this is for the current Builderall plan. Let me just erase this. Now, for Builderall 3.0's affiliate program, they jacked it up. Okay, the tiers. It's now 5 tiers. So for the percentage, they're still working on it. Okay, but it will be 5 tiers. So you'll have a 3rd tier, 4th tier, and 5th tier. Now for the percentage, they're still working on it. So what I will do is, as soon as the exact figures are out, or the specific percentages are up, I'll post another video on it. So again, be sure to click the bell. I'll go ahead and notify you, so you'd be notified rather, and I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated. Okay, but just imagine, from the 2 tiers already, on top of what you'll be earning from the tiers, you still have this. Just imagine that. Okay, so many earnings, so many profits, with so many ways to make money with Builderall. Again, just a reminder, if you watch my previous videos, you can earn from the platform by being a freelancer, by being a company or a businessman or the entrepreneur itself, or even by promoting the platform. All right. So there's so many potential at what? How much is the cost? Less than $100. I made a video on that Builderall 3.0's new pricing plan. You might want to check on that. I'll just link the video at the very end of this video. And if you want to try the platform, link would be on the description below. Plus I have a bunch of bonuses which you can go for. Feel free to use all of those at your convenience. So if you sign up with Builderall through me, you'll have access to my private Facebook group where I support everybody who signed up with Builderall through me, regardless if you want to use the platform as a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, or to promote the platform. I have all the programs for all of those for you. Okay, so I will help you all throughout. I'll help your business grow, which is of course the most idealistic if you want financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. Okay, so right now, yeah, I'm wearing this because other than it is cold, I'm gonna ride my bike. So yeah, that's about it. You got questions or you wanna, yeah, I mean, you got questions, message me on my Facebook page or comment below and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video of it for you. All right, connect with me on social media. Yeah, get in touch with me. Okay, so that's about it for this one. I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, all right, let's go.